Surprise, surprise! Yet another day of Isa wearing green. Who would have thought that I would be wearing green? Not me, that's for sure. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and today I'm doing something super fun. I feel like I said that in every video, but that's just because I have so much fun filming. But as you can probably tell, I only have my base makeup on. That's why I look a little flat and a little dead. We're gonna be livening. We're gonna make me look alive again in a few minutes because today I am bringing you sort of like a continuation of my 2021 trends video. If you haven't watched that one, I'll leave it down below or on the end screen thing. I have been obsessed with doing more of a graphic eye, something simple, something colorful. Obviously, we're still all wearing masks, and the only thing I like to do now is play up my eyes. But a few weeks ago also, let's plug another video, shall we? I did a February favorites and I was wearing a green eyeliner. And someone requested that I do a tutorial on the look. It is super simple, but you know what? I thought I'd give it a go. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how I like to do my green eyeliner tutorial. It is very simple, it can be very quick, and it looks very cool, especially if you're as into green as I am right now. So yeah, if you wanna learn how I do my green winged liner, or you just want a little bit of inspiration of some colorful graphic liner that is easy to do, then let's get to it. And to the person who requested this, I hope you love it. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with my base already done. I just did some lightweight foundation, some concealer, did my brows, and powdered. And we're gonna get started with the eyes. First step, as always, is to prime. I'm using the Milani eyeshadow primer in nude. This one is a really good one from the drugstore. Once primer is done, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a little bit of my bronzer. I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just gonna be laying this down a little bit everywhere. No rhyme or reason, just to kind of set the primer, but also add the tiniest bit of color to my lids. Now it's time to go in with liner. I'm gonna go in with a mixture of the Kiko Milano Lasting Precision Automatic Eyeliner in Kohl in number 11 and the ColourPop Liquid Liner in the Hills. So I'm gonna use this for my wing, but first I'm gonna go into my tight line with this to add a little bit more dimension. And honestly, if you're just starting out with color and you feel a little intimidated with wings and stuff, you could go in with a color like this. This is like an army green and it's a lot more neutral than a bright green, and you could just, you know, add a little bit to your waterline to just get a peak of color, or also like add a bit to your upper lashes and stuff. If you're not feeling super confident with this trend, you can definitely tone it down. Now it's time for the true test. I'm gonna be doing a wing liner with the ColourPop The Hills Liquid Liner, and I am shaking in my boots basically because I'm not great at doing wing liner. And the time I did wing liner for that video that I was mentioning previously, it took me like, I don't know, 40 minutes to get it done. So yeah, I'm gonna speed you guys up so you don't have to stay here for 40 minutes and see me struggling. Okay, let's just get it started. And I'm not gonna be talking because God knows I can barely speak when I'm not doing liner, so. Okay, so wings are done. They're not even. They don't look even at all, like whatsoever, but I think I did a good job and it didn't take me 1,000 hours, so I think that's progress. And that is basically it. You know, it's super simple if you're doing liner all the time. Just switch it up to a fun color every once in a while and you'll be doing 2021 trends, my people. So now all that's left to do for the eyes is apply some mascara. I like to keep it wispy. I'm going with the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara, which I love a lot. I'm applying a few coats of this just to make my lashes fluttery and cute. Okay, so mascara is on literally everywhere, so now all I'm gonna go do is remove this little friend over here, and then we can move on to the rest of the face, okay? Give me a second. For the rest of my face, I've already done my base, you guys know this, but I just want to keep the cheeks super light as well. I want most of the focus to be on the eyes, so I'm just gonna slightly define, but I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. So I'm starting off with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer that I used on the eyes, and I'm just gonna be warming up my cheeks just a little bit, not going overboard at all. Just enough to give like slight definition, bring me back to life, but not, I don't want to like chisel myself out completely, you know? Just a little bit of bronze. For blush, I'm going in with my Patrick Ta Do We Know Her. What is the name of this? Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. This one right here. And I don't know, I'm debating if I should apply a little bit of the cream and then some powder, or maybe just some powder. I think I'm just gonna go with a powder because I want to keep it light. And I'm just gonna go lightly with the powder. And then for highlighter, I'm also going to be sticking to a powder. This is a powder day. I'm using my Essence Pure Nude Highlighter and Be My Highlight. I have loved this for ages, and this looks so natural on the skin. Like, look at it. It looks beautiful, super natural, and it's easy to apply as well. I'm gonna add a little bit of this to my inner corners just to add some brightness in there. And then to make sure everything is set nicely, I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and adding a few spritzes to my face. Okay, now all we have left to do is the lips. For the lips, I also want to keep it super easy and sheer. Again, want to keep most of the focus on the eyeliner. So what I'm gonna do is add a concoction of nudes. I'm starting off with my Pat McGrath Permagel Ultra Lip Liner in Done Undone. Just overlining the lips a little because you know I have tiny, tiny lips. And I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Unbutton. This one is really good. It's a matte lipstick, and it can be super intense, but I'm just gonna dab it a little bit on my finger, and then with whatever is on my finger, just dabbing it here on the lid. And then just to add a little bit more hydration, because when this dries, it's gonna be a little dry, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Stone. Again, I'm just gonna add a little bit to my finger and then dab it. That's gonna make it easier. I also don't wanna add a lot of shine, so this is the best way to do it. Okay, and once the lips are done, then the entire look is complete. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit and we can see what we're working with, okay? This is it. This is the finished look. As you can see, obviously most of the focus was on the eyes. I really love green right now, as y'all know, and I think a green wing is just such a cool, oh my god, please focus. A green wing is just such a cool way of wearing like colorful eyes and graphic eyes. I think it's also super easy once you get the hang of it. My brows are doing weird shit, but yeah. I love how the skin is super natural, super simple. I love how the lips, again, are very, very sheer, and all of the focus is on the eyes. I really love this look, and I've been wearing it a ton, and I cannot wait for you guys to wear it as well if this video resonates with you, or if you just want to try something funky without going too hard. This is a perfect look. So yeah, and this is what it's looking like. What do you guys think? And there you have it, you guys. This is my super simple, quick, green graphic eye. I hope you love it as much as I do. If you were the person who requested this, I hope this is a fun video for you, and I hope you recreate this and let me know if you do. If you want to do this with other colors, you can totally do that, like maybe an orange wing or a pink wing. Oh, beautiful. You can just play with it. You could also just go with an eyeshadow if you don't have a liner that's colorful. You know, just get creative with it. I think that's why I love this trend of colorful graphic eyes. I loved recreating this look and this trend for you guys. Let me know if there are any other trends you want me to try out more in depth. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're into super easy and real makeup and beauty content like today's video, then make sure to subscribe. I would love it if you join a part of my little YouTube community. If you want to follow me more on an everyday basis, I'm on Instagram at makingitupbyisa. All the links are down below. You know what to do. So yeah, that's enough of the shameless plugs. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. And I will see you here for my next one, okay? I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.